Details this morning in a story we've been following. U.S. auto sales is officially shutting down operations for good.
In today's saturated automotive market, consumers have more options than ever. From high-tech electric vehicles to rugged off-roaders and reliable family sedans, the variety is overwhelming. Yet, not all vehicles live up to their marketing promises. In fact, some car brands and models appear attractive at first glance, offering modern styling, affordable pricing, or cutting-edge features, but ultimately leave buyers facing disappointment, unexpected maintenance costs, and resale nightmares. This comprehensive report sheds light on 11 vehicles and brands that often leave owners feeling duped. While each has its loyal fan base, deeper inspection reveals a pattern of engineering flaws, poor resale value, subpar reliability, and questionable dealer support. For prospective buyers, knowing which brands to avoid could mean saving thousands of dollars and years of frustration. Let's take a closer look. 1. Nissan, from reliability king to a risky bet. Once hailed for its bulletproof reliability and practical engineering, Nissan has fallen from grace in recent years. The brand's flagship models, especially the Nissan Rogue and Altima, have faced significant reliability concerns, particularly related to the continuously variable transmission, CVT. The Rogue, in particular, has become a case study in disappointment. Owners report frequent transmission issues that arise as early as 60,000 miles. While Nissan has offered extended warranties in the past, many repairs still fall outside of coverage, leaving owners with multi-thousand-dollar bills. Combine that with sluggish performance, poor interior quality in earlier models, and rapidly depreciating resale value, and you've got a vehicle that's hard to recommend. Number 2. Volkswagen Jetta, the hidden cost of German engineering. Volkswagen's reputation for driving dynamics and design elegance draws in many buyers, especially with the Jetta, a sedan that boasts sporty handling and European styling at a mid-range price. However, many Jetta owners find themselves blindsided by premature mechanical failures, often well before the 100,000-mile mark. Issues include timing chain tensioner failure, faulty water pumps, and electrical gremlins that make the vehicle unreliable and expensive to maintain. While the warranty covers some early issues, out-of-pocket costs add up quickly after the coverage expires. Additionally, dealership service departments are often slow and costly, frustrating owners further. Fiat Chrysler, now Stellantis, style over substance. Brands like Chrysler, Dodge, Fiat, and Jeep, pre-Stellantis merger, gained popularity for their aggressive design and powerful engine options. Yet, these same vehicles often appear on reliability watch lists. The Dodge Journey and Fiat 500, for instance, are plagued by poor build quality, engine troubles, and dated technology. Even popular Jeep models like the Cherokee and Compass have had frequent issues with transmissions, infotainment systems, and engine sensors. Resale values for these vehicles are among the worst in their segments, and they often score below average in consumer satisfaction surveys. For buyers, the temptation of bold styling often turns into regret once the repair bills start stacking up. 4. Mitsubishi. The brand, time forgot. Once a formidable Japanese automaker, Mitsubishi's current lineup feels like a relic of the past. Despite some refreshed models like the Outlander, the majority of Mitsubishi vehicles are underpowered, outdated, and suffer from poor safety and reliability ratings. The Mirage, for example, is one of the cheapest new cars available today, but its underwhelming 3-cylinder engine, lackluster driving experience, and minimal interior quality make it a tough sell, even for budget-conscious drivers. While Mitsubishi does offer a strong warranty, many owners feel they're sacrificing too much just to save on the initial purchase price. Number 5. Land Rover, luxury that breaks the bank. It's no secret, Land Rover vehicles are notoriously unreliable. From the sleek Range Rover Velar to the rugged Defender, these vehicles ooze luxury, off-road capability, and British charm. But beneath the surface, they're infamous for frequent mechanical and electrical failures. Common complaints include air suspension breakdowns, touchscreen glitches, and drivetrain malfunctions, all of which are costly to repair. Worse yet, some issues emerge within the first 20,000 miles, frustrating owners who paid premium prices for what should have been bulletproof luxury. Resale value also plummets quickly, especially for models that have exited warranty coverage. Unless you're leasing or have an extended service plan, owning a Land Rover long-term is a gamble. 6. Mini. Big on personality, small on durability. Mini vehicles, under BMW's umbrella, appeal to drivers seeking character and zippy performance. Models like the Mini Cooper Hardtop and Countryman offer a fun driving experience and eye-catching design. However, they're notorious for reliability issues, especially as they age. Owners frequently report clutch failures, oil leaks, engine overheating, and complicated electrical issues. Since Minis are built using BMW-derived parts, repairs tend to be expensive. Combine that with limited dealer availability in some regions, and you've got a car that's often more hassle than it's worth. 7. Cadillac. American luxury struggles to compete. Cadillac has worked hard to modernize its image, with models like the CT5 and XT6 aiming to rival German competitors. However, quality control remains inconsistent, and many Cadillac models fall short in areas such as interior refinement, infotainment reliability, and long-term dependability. While recent models feature powerful engines and striking design, owners still report issues with transmission tuning, suspension components, and electrical systems. Consumer Reports and J.D. Power rankings consistently place Cadillac near the bottom of the luxury segment. Buick. An aging legacy. Buick continues to cater to an older demographic, with models like the Encore GX and Envision. While these vehicles are generally comfortable and quiet, they often lag behind competitors in technology, driving engagement, and performance. Furthermore, Buick's smaller lineup and minimal marketing investment suggest the brand is treading water. Reliability isn't the main concern here, it's relevance. Most Buicks are rebadged versions of foreign-market GM products, and while serviceable, they lack identity and innovation, causing them to be overlooked or quickly forgotten. Number 9. Chevrolet Spark and Sonic. Budget models with big drawbacks. In the race to offer affordable new cars, Chevrolet Spark and Sonic filled the niche for buyers seeking new transportation on a used car budget. However, these cars suffer from lackluster build quality, poor crash test ratings, and underwhelming engine performance. Many Spark and Sonic owners report premature brake wear, faulty air conditioning systems, and CVT transmission troubles. These issues aren't just annoying, they chip away at the value proposition of these economy cars. Even as entry-level vehicles, there are better options from Toyota, Honda, or Hyundai that offer more peace of mind. Number 10. Tesla. Base models. Innovation with growing pains. While Tesla leads the EV revolution, its Model 3 and Model Y have been the subject of growing quality control concerns. From panel gaps and paint flaws to software glitches and squeaky interiors, the base-level Teslas have left some owners unimpressed. Although Tesla's powertrain is generally robust, build consistency and service delays continue to be sore spots for buyers. The direct-to-consumer model also means repairs and parts availability can be inconsistent, especially in less urban areas. Tesla's tech-first approach is admirable, but many owners are discovering that cutting-edge design sometimes comes with real-world drawbacks. 11. The final brand that still deceives buyers. Alfa Romeo. Alfa Romeo represents Italian flair and excitement. Models like the Giulia and Stelvio offer breathtaking design and sporty handling. However, ownership often comes at a steep cost. The brand has long struggled with mechanical reliability and dealer support in North America. Owners cite frequent check engine lights, electrical faults, and spotty parts availability. Even routine service can take weeks due to a limited network of trained technicians and parts distributors. Despite its emotional appeal, Alfa Romeo continues to disappoint even well-informed buyers who fall for the brand's intoxicating charm, only to be burdened by reliability and ownership challenges. Final thoughts. Buyer beware. Purchasing a car is a major investment, one that affects not just your finances, but your peace of mind and daily life. While flashy ads and showroom appeal can be tempting, a deeper look at long-term reliability, cost of ownership, and real-world user experiences is critical. The 11 brands and models listed here may offer initial appeal, but they often fail to deliver the satisfaction and durability that today's consumers deserve. Whether it's transmission failure, electronics breakdowns, or low resale value, these vehicles present a risk that's often not worth taking. As always, do your homework, read owner reviews, and consult trusted automotive rankings before signing the dotted line. In an era where even $20,000 cars can feel like luxury items, making an informed choice isn't just smart. It's essential.